Okay, we're ready.
Okay. Good afternoon and welcome to the Montgomery County Commission meeting for Tuesday, June 8th at 1:30. This meeting is being conducted by video conference via zoom.us due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This meeting will be live streamed on the county's Facebook page at Montgomery County, will be available on local public access television, DATV, and will be posted on the county's website at www.mcohio.org per guidelines approved by House Bill 197 and extended by House Bill 404. Madam Clerk.
Commissioner Rice. Oh, you're muted.
Here.
Commissioner Lieberman.
You have to unmute. She can't unmute. She can't. Okay, well, she's here.
Yeah, she's here. Okay, Commissioner Dodge.
Here.
Okay, I'm muted. There we go.
There. Okay, all right. Okay, County Engineer, Paul.
Good afternoon, Commissioners, Administrator, everybody watching online. We have 4 items today. The first is Resolution 21-620 to authorize a payment by warrant in the amount of $9,114 to the Village of Phillipsburg for permissive tax funds for the 2021 State Street Repairs Project. 621 is to amend the agreement with Brumbaugh Construction, Inc. for the Chicken Bristle Road Bridge Reconstruction Project in Jackson Township by decreasing the original amount by $8,195.40 for a revised total of $290,333.60, your favorite road name. 620, and then we have 2 agreements to authorize. 622 is with A&A Safety, Inc. for the 2021 pavement marking program on various county and township roads at their lowest and best bid of $285,700 through October 31st, 2022. And 623 is with Eagle Bridge Company for the Sellers Road Bridge Rehabilitation Project in the city of Moraine at their lowest and best bid of $764,259.55 through May 31st of 2023.
I move for approval.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
County Sheriff.
Thank you, Commissioners. Under County Sheriff, we have Resolution 624, authorizing a grant agreement to the Ohio Department of Public Safety, Ohio Traffic Safety Office for funding of the High Visibility Enforcement Overtime Program.
I move for approval.
I second. There's a second late item.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you, Commissioners. Under the County Sheriff, also, we have 651, approve a contract addendum to the collective bargaining agreement with the Ohio Patrolmen's Benevolent Association Civilian Unit by amending Articles 26 and 32.
Now I'll move for approval.
I second.
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Common Pleas Court.
Under the Common Pleas Court, we have authorized grant agreements with the State of Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Correction, Bureau of Community Sanctions for use of funds made available under the Community Corrections Act grant for fiscal years 2022 and 2023. Resolution 625, Intensive Supervision Program in an amount of $2,018,224, and Resolution 626, Pretrial Services Program in an amount of $400,000.
I move for approval.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Juvenile Court, Brian.
Thank you, Commissioners. Good afternoon, everyone. We have two on the agenda today. The first one is Resolution 21-0627, which is authorize an agreement with Recovery Works Healing Center for mental health and drug alcohol counseling services for the Family Treatment Diversion Program in an amount not to exceed $75,121. And the second, 21-0628, to authorize an agreement with Nationwide Children's Hospital, doing business as the Abigail Wexner Research Institute, to collect, enter, analyze, and report data for the Family Treatment Diversion Program in an amount not to exceed $8,500.
I move for approval.
I second.
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
County Municipal Court. Michael?
Under County Municipal Court, we have Resolution 629, accept a technology grant from the Supreme Court of Ohio for a recording system in both courtrooms in Eastern and in one courtroom in Western in an amount of $200,000.
I move for approval.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
We have a late agenda item from the Auditor's Office.
Thank you, Commissioner. Under the County Auditor's Office, we have Resolution 652, amend the agreement with the Local Government Services section of the Office of the Auditor of State for compilation of financial statements for the year ending December 31st, 2022, by increasing the original amount by $6,500 for a revised total of $39,000 through December 31st, 2021.
I move for approval.
I second.
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
County Administrator.
Under the County Administrator, Commissioners, we have approval of the minutes of the meeting on May 25th, 2021. We also have Resolution 630, approval of bills, and Resolution 631, approval of travel and expenses. Both of those lists are available in the clerk's office.
Move for approval.
Second.
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Administrative Services. Tyler?
Good afternoon, Commissioners. We have a variety of resolutions for your consideration today. The first is 632. This is the approval of personnel actions, and this list is available in the clerk's office. 633 extends the agreement with Sedgwick Claims Management Services Incorporated for workers' compensation, self-insurance, third-party consultant, and claims administration for the Risk, Safety, and Emergency Management Department at a cost not to exceed $87,465 through June 30th of 2022. The next two resolutions authorize price agreements with options to extend. The first is 634 with Sparks Commercial Tires Incorporated for solid waste loader tires for the Environmental Services Department, Solid Waste Services through May 31st of 2022. 635 is with Morgan Services Incorporated for medical garment and laundry services for the Coroner's Office in Miami Valley Regional Crime Lab through May 30th of 2022. And the last three resolutions authorize purchases through December 31st of 2021. The first is 636 with No Before Incorporated for security awareness training services for the Common Police Corps in an amount not to exceed $11,800. Next is 637 with Dell Marketing LP for Microsoft Dynamics 365 subscription software and licenses for the Office of Management and Budget in an amount not to exceed $633,131.16. And last is 638 with Environmental Systems Research Incorporated for the annual software maintenance renewal for the GIS computer application software for the Environmental Services Department in an amount not to exceed $79,834.
I move for approval.
I second.
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Environmental Services. Matt?
Good afternoon, Commissioners. We have four resolutions today. First one is 639, amend the agreement with Fishback for preparation of detailed construction plans and specifications for the Lynn Haven and Meyer water main replacement project by adding $4,850 to the original amount for a revised total of $192,728 due to a change in the scope of work. Resolution 640, amend resolution number 21-0120, which authorized an agreement with Dayton Professional Baseball Club, LLC for 2021 advertising and play ball sponsorship services at a corrected cost not to exceed $64,320 through December 31st, 2021. And the following two are to accept subdividers contracts. The first is 641 with Campbell Burling Huber Heights LLC for the Foxfire Development Sections 8 and 9. And 642 with Divided Ridge Associates Limited for the Washington Trace Development Section 15.
I move for approval.
Second.
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Human Services. Jessica?
Afternoon, we have Resolution 643, accepting a grant from the Ohio Department of Developmental Disabilities for state fiscal year 2022 for early intervention services for infants and toddlers with disabilities, ages birth through 2 years, and their families in the amount of $1,203,564. Resolution 644, extending the Continuum of Care Planning Grant from the United States Department of Housing and Urban Development to September 30th, 2021. Resolution 645, authorizing agreement with Woodridge of Missouri doing business as Piney Ridge Center for substitute care services through March 31st, 2022. Resolution 646, amending the grant agreement with the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services for the Child Support Enforcement Agency's Access Visitation Program by increasing the subgrant amount by $12,000 for the total amount not to exceed $110,400.
I second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Business Services,
Thank you, Commissioner. Under Business Services, under Workforce Development, we have Resolution 647, authorize a facility rental agreement with Sinclair Community College for the Female Leadership Academy kickoff on July 7th, 2021, in an amount not to exceed $4,554. We also have Resolution 648, authorize work experience and guidance program agreements with various local businesses through December 31st, 2021.
I move for approval.
I think she went out of,
Second.
Okay, I heard her.
I did too. All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Okay. All right, under County Commissioners 21-0649, reappoint Brian Dersham to the Greater Dayton Premier Management Board for a 5-year term ending June 30th, 2026.
I move for approval.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Madam Clerk, any comments by any citizens today?
No.
Okay. Comments by County Administrator?
Thank you, Commissioners. The Job Center at Edwin Moses Boulevard in Dayton has expanded its on-site services. And although the Job and Family Services continue to offer services remotely during the pandemic, our JFS staff is very much looking forward to expanding building access and re-engaging with the community in person again. Now I'll wait for Kevin to get the screen up here. I think he's going to show some pics.
There you go.
Okay. So customers can now access family assistance resources, such as the new lobby resource room, which has 10 new computers, no-touch doors, and lobby service professionals to help people with the self-service portal accounts. Now, customers can also access the quick scan room and the forms room through the blue entrance. The blue family assistance entrance is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Again, the blue door is now open, and that is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And though the green entrance, the child support area, is now assisting walk-in customers, the green area is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30. Again, the green entryway is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30, and that is for child support. We look forward to seeing the customers in the Job Center again. We've had quite some time where we've had to work with our customers remotely, and there's nothing like the human engagement, especially in social services. So we're thankful for our team, and we're thankful for the public's patience, and we look forward to engaging with the public once again. Thank you, Commissioners.
Thank you, Michael. I know it wasn't easy the last year plus, but thanks so much. We made it. So changing subjects a little bit, we had several fun events last week. We were there for the ribbon cutting for the new home for Ascend Innovations, and it is beautiful. We really love to see reuses like that throughout the county, but especially in downtown where there's so much, and they have taken that space and it is amazing. So that is going to be Ascend Innovations and the Greater Dayton Area Hospital Association, or as we always refer to, GDAHA. And they have moved into the Fire Blocks district downtown. And the great thing is they're moving more employees to the heart of downtown. And they talked about the being downtown and being part of the action and the growing number of people that are downtown. And so as we reopen, we know there's going to be even more. So then there was another event that had us celebrating accomplishments of Marquetta Colbert, who somebody we know is related to. Marquetta was able to expand healthcare access in Harrison Township. And she opened the second Colbert Health and Family Wellness location at 111 Turner Road in Harrison Township. And it is beautiful. We were able to be there with other county officials, state reps, Willis Blackshear, Rodney Creech, and Phil Plummer, and Harrison Township trustees, Georgianne Godsey and Roland Winberg. So it was just a great event, and it's nice that things are opening back up, but boy, last week was a busy one. So we're happy that we were able to be there.
Well, commissioners, if you remember, and I know you do, we were one of the principal investors that allowed the fire blocks to move, and to see it grow, and to see the support, commissioners, that you've given as far as economic development to move that and that piece of property and to remodel that downtown. That is fantastic. And also, I'd like to thank everyone who attended Marquetta's event. It was pretty spectacular, and she's doing a phenomenal job. We're blessed with the work that she's doing in the community. So thank you all.
Oh, we were all happy to be there, Michael. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I just want to say happy Pride Month, everyone. Over the weekend, I was pleased to attend the 2021 Pride Parade because Montgomery County certainly stands with our LGBTQ community. And it was wonderful to see so many people out there enjoying. We had all that rain last week, and it was a beautiful sunshiny day, and everyone was sharing positive messages of love and togetherness. And we had just come through the mask mandate being lifted on June 2nd. So there was much to celebrate. And I just want to remind everyone that Montgomery County is a workplace that embraces diversity and inclusion, and we're always, always, always looking to add top talent. And you can apply for positions currently available if you go to our website, mcohio.org, and look under the human resources area. So welcome all. It was a wonderful day.
Yeah, it was a beautiful day. And talking about the masks, as of last Wednesday, June 2nd, masks are no longer required in most Montgomery County buildings. But I want to remind you to continue washing your hands regularly and continue social distancing, especially if you have not been fully vaccinated. Now, be careful still around the elderly and those who are immune compromised. Now, for those of you who are still not vaccinated, please, there is a clinic until 8 o'clock tonight at the Homeful Family Living Center, which is at 829 South Gettysburg Avenue in Dayton. Now, there's also clinics tomorrow at the Dayton Airport Expo Center, 8 to 11 a.m. and 1 to 7 p.m. Walk-ins are welcome at both locations. You do not have to have a reservation. There's also clinics at other locations on Thursday and Friday. So please go to COVID-19 vaccine button at phdmc.org. That's phdmc.org for other options. So everyone, please stay safe, because we're getting this finished, and so we're all going to be okay, but it's not over yet. So please be cautious. So on that, our next meeting is Tuesday, June 15th, right here at 1:30.
I move to adjourn.
Jeez.
I don't know. Second.
Okay, all those in favor?
Aye. Have a
Okay.
great
Aye.
week.
Thank you.